Something that people don't do, movements to really target and inner chest muscle fibers, which for a lot of people results in their pecs being developed out here and nothing in there. It's when we develop the pecs around the indent that really makes it less noticeable. And you can test whether you can really feel that pump and feel like you can grow muscle in your inner chest. So for the test, what we're going to be doing, firstly, push-ups with a 3-second down, 3-second up tempo for as many reps as possible, going to failure. Then you're going to go on to a 1-arm load dumbbell fly. I'm really trying to target and feel the inner chest muscle fibers recruiting. So for this, we want to do about 10 to 12 reps each side at a challenging weight, going close to failure. Now we're going to go back to push-ups, and we're going to do as many reps as possible just at a normal pace. Then you're going to stand up, you're going to get 2 5-pound plates, and you're going to squeeze them together and push out. Hold that contraction for as long as you can, and I want you to actively think about the chest contracting and squeezing them as hard together. Then, once you hit failure, your chest should be pumped. Look in the mirror, flex, squeeze your chest. You should feel and see what it starts to look like when you're developing your chest and how that makes your pectus look better.